In this video, we will learn how to enable the different themes for your Visual Studio. So you will see that here is the default theme, which is the blue theme. If you need to enable the dark theme, how can we do that? Let's start. So to enable the themes, you have to go to the tools menu, then go to options, and here you need to click on the environment tab. Then on the right side, here is a color theme drop down. Click on this drop down and choose the another theme. Suppose I am choosing the dark one, so click on the dark and then click on OK. So here you will see that the theme of the Visual Studio is changed completely. To choose another theme, again you need to click on the tools, then click on the options, and then here choose the different one. So suppose now I'm choosing the light one, so click on the light, click on OK, and you will see the light one is enabled in my Visual Studio. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel to get more tips for your programming language. Thank you.